When trading with a small account, the number one risk is obviously blowing up your account very fast. And the way to mitigate that risk is by having a high win rate. The higher your win rate, the less likely you are to blow your account, provided that obviously your wins outweigh your losses still. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So what you want to do is open up a watch list, and I'm just going to open up a 52-week near low watch list, and we're just going to pick an underlying that's trading in and around the lows of the last year or so. You don't specifically need to do this. I just do it on the watch list level. You can look at charts, you can do whatever you want, but basically we're just going to have a very small long bias for these underlyings because they are trading at the lows of the past year or so. So we're going to make the small directional assumption that price is going to mean revert a little bit. However, as I'm going to show you in just a second, it doesn't actually matter what the price does too much. The main thing is that we just get a position on. So let's have a look at XLP. It's one of the spiders. It is an ETF. It's the consumer staples ETF. It's very nice to trade. It has an IV rank of 50.3. You want to make sure you have IV rank on your watch list, and you only want to look at things to trade that have an IV rank of over 30. So this has 50, an IV rank of 50, an absolute IV level of 14%. So let's now pull up a list of option expiration dates. We are going to be selling or writing options contracts, and you want to pick an expiration date that's between 30 and 60 days out. And it also needs to be a monthly, not a weekly or quarterly expiration date. So there's one here 52 days away, May 16th, and we're going to open that up. And now we can see the options chain. So whenever you are short an options contract, that means you want price to stay away from that contract. So if we have a long directional bias, a very slight long directional bias, which we do in this instance, we are going to want to sell puts. Okay, so we want to sell puts, and we want to sell them at about a 30 delta. So if you look on the 30 delta, or if you look on the delta column, sorry, you find the 30 delta. And as you can see here at the 77 strike, this contract here has a 30 delta. That's the one that we want to sell. And in this instance, we want price to stay at or above 77. And as long as it does that, we're going to make lots of money. So if you have a look at this situation here, we have a pop of 71%, which is probability of profit. So we've got a 71% chance of making money. That's if we hold to the expiration, but I personally never hold to the expiration. You want to get out at about 50% of max profit. And so our P50 in this instance is 88%. So we've got an 88% chance of making money on this trade. And we're going to collect $74 up front, and our buying power requirement is going to be just over 1.5K. Now you're probably thinking, 1.5K, this is supposed to be for a small account. What's going on here? Well, what we're going to do is we're simply just going to buy another contract further out from this short contract to cover it, and that's going to reduce our buying power requirements. Let's just say we go a couple dollars out and we buy this contract at 75. Now we have this spread. This is called a put credit spread, and as you can see now, well, we have a P50 of 91%, max profit of 35, buying power requirement of 165. So we're now getting a much higher return on capital. Less buying power is required, we're getting a high win rate, and this is basically what you want to do over and over again. Now, this is a fairly small amount of premium that you are collecting. That's because it is an ETF. With ETFs, you don't have company risk, and basically in this game, the more risk you take, the more money you make. You just need to make sure you're managing that risk appropriately. So if you were to do this exact same setup on something like Tesla, you are going to collect a lot more. You're going to get a higher return on your capital, but obviously there is a lot less risk with XLP as opposed to something like Tesla, and that's reflected in the premiums that we're collecting. So this is basically what you want to do. You want to do it over and over and over again, get as many occurrences in as you can, and basically that's it. You just want to make sure you have enough dry powder to stick around, have a high win rate, and make sure you're getting paid appropriately for your risk. Now, in order to manage your buying power, we have created a free position sizing template. The link will be in the description. And the way it works is you enter in the size of your portfolio. So say if you have a $25,000 account, you can then enter in whatever the current VIX level is. So say if it is 19.3, and then everything is going to be calculated for you. All you need to do is use this information to form the backbone of your portfolio, and over the long run, you will be absolutely fine. If you would like to learn in more detail about what we do and how we do it, click on EDS Premium. The link will also be in the description. You will get access to this exact portfolio that I showed you an example of here today, whereby you can see all the positions that we're placing, how we manage risk, how we make adjustments, everything in real time. If you just have a look at the positions for today, we have an SPX position on. We're up $170, $180 right now. This is a live account, and you're going to get access to everything. There's a full course inside, so no prior knowledge is required. We will teach you everything that you need to know from start to finish. It is also a private community, so if you get stuck, you can speak with myself directly or with other like-minded individuals. And there's a 100% money-back guarantee. So once you have been through the course, followed some of our trades, if after 6 months you're not profitable, we will work with you for free until you are, or you can request a full refund. So it is completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join right now. The price will be increasing. Once you're in, the price is locked in for life, so you are rewarded for getting in early. And the aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We do not want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill. Once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. And we aim to get you to a point of where you are self-sufficient between 6 to 12 months. That's how long it will take. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.